In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Lyro AI chatbot in Tidio. Setting up a chatbot can seem daunting, but with the following guide, you'll find it a straightforward and rewarding process. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Lyro AI agent section within your Tidio dashboard. If you're not sure where to find this, look under categories such as AI Agent or Conversational AI, where there might be a special tab dedicated to this feature. This is your starting point, where you'll kick off your integration with Lyro. Next, it's time to set up your data sources, which will serve as the knowledge base for Lyro. This involves inputting the content that Lyro will learn from. Start by entering the URLs of your FAQ pages, support documents, or help pages. Lyro will scrape these to pull relevant information. Additionally, you'll want to manually add any question and answer pairs that aren't already covered by your existing content. This ensures that no stone is left unturned and that the chatbot has a robust understanding of your common queries. If your plan allows, you can also upload files or even use suggestions based on historical conversations to further enhance Lyro's preparedness. The next critical step is to configure the behavior and settings of your Lyro AI. Within the Lyro panel, you'll come across various settings that you can tweak to suit your preferences. Decide when Lyro should actively reply. It could be set to always respond, or only step in when your human agents are offline. Choose the channels where you want Lyro to be active. Options might include your website's live chat, email tickets, or even social media platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram. Defining your company's description and preferred tone of voice is important too. Whether you prefer a friendly or formal interaction style, you can also decide whether Lyro should use features like read more links and emojis in its responses. Finally, consider the handoff rules. These are instructions for what the system should do when Lyro encounters a question it can't answer, whether that's transferring the query to a human agent, creating a support ticket, or asking for more information from the customer. Before launching Lyro Live, take advantage of the Playground feature. This allows you to simulate user interactions and test out Lyro's responses. If you find that some answers aren't quite hitting the mark, revisit your data sources. You may need to add additional Q&A pairs or tweak the existing content until everything aligns perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the setup and testing, it's time to activate Lyro and go live. By following these steps, you'll have a chatbot that runs smoothly and effectively, improving your customer support experience. And there you have it. You've just set up the Lyro AI chatbot in Tidio, ready to enhance your customer engagement.